Yo, what's going on, folks? Retrospective Dave here. So I just wanted to bring you all a quick video addressing some concerns or questions that you might have about the upcoming Air Jordan 6 Salesman. Now, I do expect these sneakers to do well once they officially release. So if they do sell out and you happen to go through StockX or GOAT to get a pair, then here's some things in my opinion that you should be mindful of. So if you live in the United States and your pair was distributed in America, then you will more than likely end up with a pair from the VP factory. All VP pairs will have made in Vietnam printed on the size tag and the box label. Now, if you end up with a pair that was distributed outside of the United States, such as the UK, Europe, Australia, maybe even Canada, then you'll most likely end up with a pair from the SC1 factory. And if that's the case, then the box label and the size tag will read made in China. So the pair that you'll need to worry about the most will be the one from the SC1 factory. Usually when the counterfeit companies produce their replicas, they tend to copy the retail pairs from the international markets for some reason. And in this case, it would be the SC1 pair. So it looks like these two versions will have different materials, especially on this back panel here. The VP pair that I have has more of a synthetic nubuck feel, and the SC1 pair that Rome is authenticating looks to be more matte or durabug. You can definitely see a difference between the pods on the sides of the shoe. So hopefully once these sneakers do release and I'm able to source a pair from the UK or somewhere in that area, then I'll definitely be able to do a thorough breakdown of the differences between these two factories. So the purpose of me making this video was to give you some sort of insight on the SC1 pair and the VP pair, just in case you order from StockX or GOAT and you feel like you got scammed or anything like that. At least you know the differences, that you could get one or the other if you order from those two platforms. I do feel like this sneaker will sell out, not so much because people are really crazy about this shoe, but it is a variation of an OG colorway, and I feel like people are going to just use this sneaker as more of a DIY project to kind of, repaint the midsoles and make them look like the original infrareds, especially if they don't have the 2019 pair. I just hope that this video helps you if you do have any questions or concerns about your pairs if you happen to order them from StockX or GOAT. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay fresh, blessed, and free of stress, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.